Well, good afternoon. It's Monday, March 9th, 2026. And just 2 weeks ago, it looked like this. I tell you, it's like 60 degrees out here right now. I cannot wait. I can't do much out here today. It's dirty, it's wet in some spots, but it is nice to be back in the street. I've been in the rink a little bit here and there, skating as much as I can, which is not much, but that's about to change. We'll get a little skating in today though. Awesome stuff today. Feels great. I wasn't going to skate at all today because I went to the rink yesterday and had a pretty solid session there. I was pretty sore from that today, but it was so nice. It's going to be nice tomorrow too. So I had to get it in today. It's gorgeous here. Gorgeous. It's going to be nice to get back to Boston. That'll be soon. See ya.